And we back. And we back. Yeah, I'm back. It's been a while. My video that I put out last Friday is actually from like 3 months ago, like the footage is. So this is actually like recent footage. And I just got a pre-plan, so I wanted to show you boys. I actually wasn't going to record it at first because it's delivering to the exact same place in my last video, that Home Depot. But this time it's picking up at a different place, so that's why I'm recording it, and because I just want to. I've been itching to like record. But yeah, picking up in Chicago, Illinois. I'll put like the Google Maps image on the screen so you guys can see. It looks pretty crammed in there, but we'll see if we can get it in there. And then Home Depot, same as last video, so hopefully it'll be at least like daytime this time so I can get a little better footage. It feels like every time I record it's nighttime, so we gotta take advantage of the day. But yeah, I got my dash cam up and running, and then I also got that camera up there up and running, so that's pretty cool. I don't know, it feels good to be back. And then also I got the drone. I haven't flew that bad boy in ages. I think the last time I flew that was like 5 months ago, and I smacked it into a tree. So I'm gonna start using that. I want to try to get like aerial views of me backing up. I think that'd be pretty cool. There goes a plane. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. It's probably just recording the sky. But yeah, I don't pick up till 2. It's 10:40. I'm just chilling here with Bella. We were actually over there sliding on ice just a few minutes ago. I don't know, every time I see a patch of ice I just feel like a little kid. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little longer. I'm trying to figure out if I need an empty trailer, because I'm actually bobtailed right now. So I'm gonna wait and then go pick up this bad boy. Alright guys, I just got to my pickup, as you guys seen. Went in there and got checked in, and I'm going to door 18, she said, which is right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a super hard back. I got it back into next to nothing. I don't know if I can do this. Look at all this room we got. Look at all this room we got. What is this? This ain't like Chicago. Chicago's usually real cramped. Everybody looking at me because I got a GoPro on my head. That's alright though. We ain't got no lines, so I might actually struggle. Nope. Still gotta open my doors. She didn't say I had to slide my tandem, so I ain't gonna worry about it. Straighten her up a little bit. God, that wind is cold. And we're in there basically. I guess I gotta let this guy go through before I open my doors. If he can fit through there. Come on, USA. Get out my way, USA. Pull up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go open my doors and back in and then just wait. Play the waiting game, huh, Bella? Alright, just got loaded. Got to close the trailer doors. And look what I got. One of these fancy things. Tire thumper, son. Someone in my last video said my foot wasn't adequate enough. So this is for you. I got one of these things. Just for you, buddy. But yeah, it took him like 2 hours. It's not too bad. Could have been better. It's all good though. Bam. I think we're chilling. Bam. One down, one to go. I think I'm just gonna leave you guys in here for the rest of the video. So yeah, see you guys in Kansas. Like, I kid you not, it's so cold here that I just got fuel, obviously, as you guys see me pull in. Normally I do like this like cinematic thing where I fuel up. It's so cold here, my camera had 40% and I literally set it outside to record me getting out of my door and it died, like instantly. My phone says it's 11. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says it feels like -7 and it's supposed to get even colder. Like, I'm good. Stop it. Stop it. But yeah, I just stopped and got fuel. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record it. But I did get this. Look at this thing. This thing's gigantic. It's like the size of my head. And the fact that CFI, they automatically give you diamond status at Love's, which is automatic, or it's unlimited refill, sorry. The fact that I can fill this up for free every time I stop here, I feel like that should be illegal. Like, this thing is huge and it's just full. And then also some Taco John's. This place slaps. If you've ever been to a Love's with a Taco John's, you have to get it. It is so good. I wish they had it at every Love's. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'm on my 30-minute break. I just took Bella out. Sorry about the weird camera angle. Hopefully you guys can even see me. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my 30 and then head towards Kansas. I haven't made it too far yet. I think like 250 miles. So I still have a way to go. I'll probably have to take a break before I deliver. But yeah, that's the plan. Good morning. Actually, it's probably not morning for you guys if you guys are watching this, but it's morning for me. Actually, that's a lie too. It's noon for me. I'm just full of lies right now. Anyways, I have 1 minute, if you guys can see that, 9:59. 1 minute and my 10-hour break's over. I stayed at the Kansas City yard last night. I probably could have made it all the way to my delivery in Topeka, Kansas, that Home Depot, but I wouldn't have had any time on my clock to go park. So I just stayed here, and it's drop and hook, so I didn't really have to deliver last night anyways. So yeah, I'm about to leave. Clock just reset. I gotta do my pre-trip, obviously. And also, I don't think I'm gonna get another load today because I have 4 hours and 24 minutes on my 70. I do get 9 hours back at midnight, so I'm sure they'll have a load for me in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna go deliver this load. It's like 80 miles away, so not too far of a drive. And then probably just park for the day. Alright, finally got checked in. That was a long line. Usually, I think every time I've been here it's been nighttime, so I've never really had that problem. I went straight up to the gate. There was like 10 trucks in front of me just now, but finally in. Last time I was here, I backed in way down there at the end. I don't know if you guys, I think that was my second video. Oh, wait a second. She said 713 is where I'm dropping it. It's gonna be right next to this wow, they got me in between both of these trucks. Fantastic. It's going right there. Oh, he's pulling out. That makes it a little easier for me. Can you get out of there? I don't think I'm blocking him. Yeah, he's out. Concentrate. We're in there. Oh yeah, Bella. Well, we one-shot that one. We got that in there easy. Look at that husky, Bella. Bella, look at the dog. Look at the dog, Bella. Look at the husky, Bella. That's adorable. Alright, well, we got it in there. I'm gonna drop this bad boy. I already got my pre-plan. I'll show you guys that after I hook up to an empty. Alright, I just got checked out. I'm just right outside the gate. Just chilling. Got my empty trailer. Yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video, but I wanted to tell you guys my pre-plan for next video on Friday. So yeah, I'm actually picking up in Spring Hill, Kansas. It is actually the exact same place I picked up at in my very first video when I went out west to California, except this time I'm going east to Pennsylvania. It's going to an Amazon. Shouldn't be that bad. Amazons are usually have like tons of room and stuff, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Picking up Spring Hill, Kansas, and here I can be a little more specific of where it's delivering. Easton, Pennsylvania, to an Amazon warehouse there. So I think it's like, counting the empty miles, it's like 1,300, maybe a little more than 1,300 miles. So a little decent load. But for now, I'm gonna go park. I actually don't get time until midnight tonight, and it's only like 3 p.m. But also, I don't even pick up till noon tomorrow, and I'm only like an hour away. So I'm just gonna be relaxing. I'll probably edit this video, and yeah, I guess I'll see you boys next Friday.